Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to show you the fastest way to make money online with Clickbank in 2021. If that sounds exciting to you, give me a thumbs up and make sure to smash that big subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to tick the bell icon to be notified of all future uploads and videos that I post on my YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach people new strategies, tactics and techniques on how to really build a life and business full of freedom, passion and fulfillment. So if you like the sound of that, make sure to smash the subscribe button and smash the like button as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So again, I just want to reiterate the fact that I'm going to show you the fastest way that I think for a person to make money online, leveraging the affiliate marketing business model together with Clickbank. And for that, head over to Clickbank's website, and once again, boom. So after you've searched for clickbank.com, you will come up to this page, and then you wanna click on the sign up button, and thereafter you wanna fill in all the details required: your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and of course your password. Thereafter you wanna click over here to confirm that you have read and agreed the terms and conditions. Then after, once you continue terms and conditions, then you will have an account, Clickbank account. Thereafter, once you sign up, you're gonna log in to your Clickbank account, your dashboard, and you will be brought to this page here. As you can see, your account nickname will be here, and this will be your graph of your weekly sales snapshots and daily sales snapshots. Of course, I have not made any sales yet because this is just a demo account for tutorial purposes. Thereafter, you want to click over to it says marketplace on the top. And I just want to mention that this process might take some time. It might take 15, 20 or even 30 minutes, because we want to find a product that is new and that is hot, that's just been released onto the Clickbank marketplace. So you're going to have to do a little bit of research, right? So I haven't pre-planned anything beforehand for this video on what product is trending right now. I wanted to actually do this raw, real and uncut and show you exactly what I would do if I was going online right now and I wanted to make some money with Clickbank in the next 24 hours. What steps that I would take. And I think it's always better to show this in action versus pre-planned, right? So on the left hand side, you're going to find all the categories, and one of the categories that I'm going to tell you right now that releases hot new products is the health and fitness category right here. These products work really well when using Facebook ads as well. But of course, in this video, we're not going to be running Facebook ads because it takes a lot of time to set up and there's a lot of testing involved. And the purpose of this tutorial is to show you the fastest way to go and make some money. So if I click onto health and fitness, we've got some offers right here listed by Clickbank. So research, steel by pro, diabetes freedom, so on and so forth, right? So that's step one. So step one is to find a product. Step two is heading over to a website called Google Trends. So all you have to do is just type in Google Trends onto this Google search bar and click onto the first listing shown to us by Google, and thereafter, so what we want to do is we want to get the product name and paste it onto Google Trends, right? So for example, if we take let's choose a product here. If I choose the Synapse XT product, just copy it. If I paste it here on Google Trends, So what Google Trends does, it's going to show you the popularity of a specific search phrase that's been typed into Google or even YouTube. This is within the past 12 months, as you can see here. So basically, we want to get as close to when the trend starts of a product. So as you can see, the trend started right here around September 27th. So for example, if today was September 27th, then we're in a great position to create a piece of content, to be the first to create a piece of content or a video around this product, Synapse XT, basically reviewing this specific product, and we'll be able to rank on the top of Google and YouTube very easily, because we're one of the first, if not the first, to create a review video about it. And if you're one of the first to create a review of any given popular product, then you're gonna get most of the traffic and make sales very easily within the next 24 hours or so. So as you can see, in the beginning of October, it really started trending. Then it took quite a dip right here on around the 10th of October, right up until the 25th of October. And thereafter, boom, it skyrocketed between 25th October and between 25th October and 21st of November. So if we created a review right here on September 27th or around this time here, then we would have benefited handsomely from the launch of this product. From the launch of this product, sorry. So again, we want to find products that are just beginning to trend upwards, so that when a lot of people are digging into the product, so when they are thinking of buying it, what do you think they do? Just like you do. You go to the search engines, you go to YouTube, you go to Google, and type in product name plus review. And that's where we want to create a piece of content on YouTube which works really well, and then rank that content on the top of Google or YouTube. So when somebody types in, for example, this product here, Synapse XT, we're at the very top ranking with our affiliate link in the description of our video. So what you can actually do is, if we jump back onto Clickbank real quickly, then we go ahead and click on promote. As you can see, the button that says promote, you're going to click that, and you want to fill in your account nickname here, and thereafter click on generate hop link, and you'll be given this link. So what you want to do is, this is your special affiliate link, and you want to go ahead and save this link somewhere on a notepad or something, because later, once we create a content around this product, we're gonna paste this link, or rather put this link in as our affiliate link in the description below that video. So basically, this is step one. So before I move to step two, I just want to remind you that this product that I have chosen now is not a good product to promote, because it does not fulfill our requirements. But I'm just going to use this for this tutorial as an example. But make sure you find a product that you just that has just been released on Clickbank and has a trending factor in it. So once again, to find that out, you simply go ahead onto Google Trends, and you will find information. You will find out when the product was released and if it has a trending factor or not. Anyways, once we've selected the product, we want to check for competition on the search engine. So let's go ahead on YouTube, right? So if you just go on YouTube, and on the search bar, we want to type in all in title colon parentheses and the name of the product. So in our case, it's Synapse XT, hit enter. So once we've typed in all in title, colon, parentheses, and the name of the product, YouTube is actually going to show you how many videos have been made that have Synapse XT in it. So typically, the more videos that have Synapse in the title, the more competition there actually is. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's actually quite a bit. 11, 12. So 13. There's actually even more. 13, 14. So as you can see, there's a ton of people who have created reviews of this product. What you're probably going to do is not go ahead and create a review video on this product just because there's a lot of competition. So what do? We keep paying attention to Clickbank Marketplace, and every week look into the health and fitness category. Look at the top listings. You can sort by rank, or you can sort by gravity. I typically suggest you leave it. You sort results by rank because it shows the more popular products on Clickbank, and so thereafter you take, if you find a new product again, then you take the name, you go into Google Trends, you plug it into Google Trends, and if it fulfills our requirements on Google Trends, and if it shows that it's starting to trend upwards as a new product, then we can go ahead and we can go on to step 2, which is go on YouTube and type in all in title with a colon and the parentheses and the name of the product, and click enter. And then if there's typically more than 3 or 4 people who have already created a piece of content or a review around that product, then once again I don't suggest that you create content around that product, and you should look for another product. But if it's lower than that and the product is trending upwards, then it is definitely a product that you want to go ahead and create a video on. The next step is going to be creating an actual review. What I would recommend is that you actually purchase the product, and if you can't purchase the product, then be a third-party reviewer. So you look at the competition, you look at what they are saying about the product, and then based off what they're saying, you would kind of do a review on their reviews. And if you find it to be a good quality product, then go ahead, put a link in the description and promote that product. But if it's not a good quality product, then find another similar product on Clickbank, and you can promote that, and you can promote that even better products that's related to the same niche. Then go ahead and show them and point them the way to that product. Okay, so if you're inclined to go ahead and create a product review and purchase the product itself, I would recommend that you actually use the product, document your journey on YouTube if you're using the product, document the journey on YouTube of you using the product, and then show people the end result. And make sure that when you're uploading the video, make sure that the phrase of whatever product that you're promoting, so in this example people will be searching for Synapse XT review, so I'm going to make sure that this Synapse XT review is added in the title, in the description box, as well as in the tags. And if there's very little competition or no competition, it's going to be very easy to rank your videos at the top from the get-go. And then of course in the description of the video, just like this video over here, I'm going to show you
what is Synapse X.
You want to go ahead and put in your affiliate link, as this person has done just over here and make sure, just like this person, he has put this the search phrase in the title as well as in the description, and as you can see on the side here, the tags, it has been added into the tag. So this will tell Google what this product is, what this video is about, and you're more likely going to rank on the top. So make sure once again that the search phrase is in this video, is said in the video. It's also mentioned in the title, in the description, as well as the tags. So guys, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and if you want to learn more of how to build an online business from scratch in just 15 days, feel free to check out the link below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos to come. Take care.